So, what are crop circles? Are crop circles connected to ETs, higher states of consciousness, interdimensional reality? Yes, they are, in my very humble opinion. So, as I understand it, crop circles are created by a kind of higher dimensional consciousness. If you understand that in the higher dimensions of reality, everything is connected, nothing is separate. This is really the enlightenment process, the process of spiritual awakening. It's the awakening to the realization we are actually not separate from reality, we are all connected. And so in the higher dimensions of reality, everything is connected, everything is one consciousness, and everything is telepathically linked. And so the collective mind of Earth, the collective consciousness of Gaia, the nature spirits, the nature fairies, the extraterrestrials, the angels, all these beings in the higher dimensions of reality, there's no separation and they're all actually connected to each other. And so what I understand is, as we're going through this shift of consciousness, as we're going through this transformation of consciousness on Earth, there's a lot of consciousnesses that are aware of what we are going through. There's a lot of consciousnesses that are aware that we're going through this shift and here to assist us through this shift. And I believe like what is producing the crop circles is kind of the collective unconsciousness of Earth, kind of the collective consciousness of Gaia. But it's also connected to all the entities and other consciousnesses such as the extraterrestrials that are here to assist us through the shift, to the angels that are watching over us, to the nature spirits, the fairies. And so I believe that what is creating the crop circles is kind of like our own unconscious, kind of like the collective consciousness of ourselves. Kind of like when we dream at night and we go into the astral dimensions, we all connect to our collective unconscious. We probably don't remember this, most of us, to a very much degree. But this is what a lot of our dreams are connected to, as I understand it. And so I believe we're waking ourselves up. We're like speaking to ourselves. Like on a deeper level, we all know, we all understand that we're going through this awakening of consciousness. And I think perhaps a lot of you watching this, while you're still sort of doubting it, nice hair, dude. While you're still kind of doubting it on the surface level, there's a part of you that knows, isn't there? Like you're watching this video, you're going, I'm not sure about this guy, I'm not sure about this awakening thing. But there's part of you that's like, yeah, I know this is real, I know we're awakening, I know I know there's more to reality than what the TV and our school teachers told us and what science tells us. And it's this part of us, but also this part of us in the collective unconsciousness, the collective mind of Gaia, the collective mind of us. We have a collective consciousness, and this is an entity in itself in a way. And it is this that's creating these crop circles. We're trying to wake ourselves up. We set like these alarm clocks at this time to create these glyphs, create these spirals, create these formations in the field. And yes, some of them are fakes, a few of them are fakes, but I believe a large proportion of them are real. We won't go into that debate right now. I think this is my belief. I mean, people used to debunk UFOs and say UFOs weren't real. No, all these debunkers have disappeared, haven't they, since it's all gone mainstream, and everyone now knows there's something going on with the extraterrestrial visitation. And it's going to be the same with the crop circles soon. Soon all these debunkers, the paid debunkers and the people that are just like really skeptical about everything and just like want to already believe that they don't exist. So they're on a mission to prove their own beliefs, which is kind of ridiculous. But anyway, they can have their own fun. And so crop circles are very real. Crop circles I believe are kind of the collective consciousness of Earth that's communicating with extraterrestrials and higher dimensional realities, and collectively we're producing these glyphs in the field. So what do you think, guys? Do you think we can manifest a crop circle in this field? I don't think we've got long left. It looks about ready, and we're getting some dry weather finally in the UK after a month of cold and rain. So I think the farmers are going to be wanting to chop this down very soon. But do you think we can all collectively pray? I mean, by the time you see this video, it's going to be long gone, this field, but I'm going to understand that time is an illusion though, so you can meditate now, like watching this video in September, and visualize the idea of crop circles appearing in this field in the next few days now, even though it's a month earlier, because time is an illusion. And so you meditating in the future can actually affect the past, and collectively we can co-create. God willing, and nature spirits willing, and our collective consciousness willing, perhaps we can actually manifest a crop circle in this field in Lincolnshire in the UK. Peace, love, light, and Shivai.